Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Windows. First, confirm your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Next, navigate to the official Epic Games website and download the Epic Games launcher. Once downloaded, install the launcher, which is a straightforward process. Finally, either create a new Epic Games account or log in with your existing credentials to proceed. This initial setup is crucial for accessing the game. With the Epic Games launcher open, head to the store section and easily find Fortnite. Click the Get or Install button to initiate the download and installation. You will be prompted to select an installation directory. Ensure you choose a drive with ample free space, as Fortnite requires approximately 26 gigabytes. The download time will vary based on your internet speed, so be patient during this step. Once Fortnite is installed, launch the game and access the settings menu to optimize your experience. Adjust graphics settings like resolution, view distance, and shadows to balance visual quality with performance. For enhanced visuals, consider enabling DirectX 12 if your system supports it. Crucially, always ensure your display drivers are updated to their latest versions for stability and the best possible frame rates. If you encounter any issues, the Epic Games launcher offers a Verify option for Fortnite, which can fix corrupted game files. To improve performance, close any unnecessary background applications that consume system resources. For persistent problems or specific questions, the Fortnite community forums are an excellent resource, often providing quick solutions and helpful advice from other players.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.